Point it. So what? What is this? What is, you can guess it? इसमें क्या है अब? What is this? Yes. What can their So Jai दोस्तों, welcome back to my English spoken blog. So how are all of you? I hope you are great, you are fine. So just friends, we are going to the what is the name of this place? Lodi Garden. Okay, actually this is the station of Jorbagh. So just I am going, you can see this is the location of
रोम भाइयों
Jorbagh area, Jorbagh metro station. This is just I will go to the Lodi Garden, and first of all I have to buy some gifts, means some chocolate. I have to give to the foreigner, so that's why I will buy it and then I will go. Okay, so let's go from here, and there is a one shop here, so I will buy. Okay, I could after buying I meet you, and while buying, so I will meet you also, and definitely I will see which type of chocolate, which type actually you can see. Some of the friends are here, so actually they are calling me. They were calling me also. That's why I saved them. Okay, actually at the time of making a vlogs video, many kind of person speak, bro, how are you? So, they are speaking to me, so that's why you can see. And just there is a one my friend I would like to this. He's a shopper. So भैया आप कैसे हैं? मैं फिर से आया हूँ चॉकलेट लेने के लिए. एक्चुअली चॉकलेट दे दीजिए. ओके, आफ्टर ओके वी purchasing buying means purchasing chocolate, and then we will go. Finally friends, we have arrived, means we have reached in the Lodi Garden. So you can see actually I have bought a boomer. Actually I have to give a boomer gift in the gift. So not very, because I don't have more money, because I am a small blogger, not a big blogger. As well as we are practicing English, so lack of practicing every day, so definitely we can improve English. So you can see just my friends means Rakesh, no, Vikas. So Vikas blogger, how are you? कैसे हो? Actually he don't know what is the word meaning. Actually he don't have a knowledge about the English. Okay, you can see this is location of best location of English, and this is the first term, and there is a 4 and 5 balls here. So actually I would like to meet them, and as well as what is the public speaking. So in this public speaking, I welcome to you, because we are a learner, so definitely we can learn English. Okay, so let's go from here, and just I would like to see you. This is your best Tom. Okay, so this is best Tom, but I would like to see you. Okay, this is best Tom. Okay, so just we are going from here, and for what purpose have you come here?
अरे वीडियो बनानी है और किस लिए भाई?
Yes, because I have to practice, and he's a YouTuber, means reporter.
No reporter actually. Reviews लेता हूँ.
Okay, actually
I am blogger.
she take a review only. So let's go from here. Okay, and we practicing lot, and we will practice lot, and as well as you will remove the hesitation, and we will improve the word meaning, means vocabulary. So let's go. So finally friends, we have reached in front of the first tomb. There is a best tomb. Actually earlier time I had come here, so I saw you, but I have come here in this purpose. We have to practice lot because day of the Sunday, many kind of tourists and as well as many kind of there are lot of person have came here, so that's why come here. So that's why you can see everybody is exercising right now. I see. Okay. That side. Okay.
One moment.
Yeah, one moment is
Out of India.
you can see this is Himayu Tom. Okay. What are you thinking about this place? You can tell me. Okay. So. Hello ma'am, actually I can talk to you in English. Actually I am a blogger.
Yeah, thank you.
Actually I want to talk to you.
No, thank you. I'm with my family. Thank you.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
Thank you, bye bye. But bye bye. Bye bye. So let's go. Actually, they don't want to talk to me, so I can't disturb them.
ये लोग यूट्यूबर इनसे बात कर लो, ये लोग यूट्यूबर
Okay. So, you आप सभी यूट्यूबर हो क्या?
हम सब भाई जिंदगी की सही बताएं तो
अरे ऐसे क्या गाल दे रहे हैं?
This is a part of life, bro.
Not a part of.
ये मेरे भाई रील देख देख के हो रही है लाइनें पर लाइफ में पॉजिटिविटी नहीं आ रही।
अच्छा, actually you are belong from Bihar.
We all are from Bihar.
बिहार का है ससुरा। कम बोलो बे, मार
Hi, duplicate.
डुप्लीकेट है तो लग रहा है, देख के रहेगा डुप्लीकेट। डुप्लीकेट नहीं है भैया, क्या बोल रहे हो?
अरे डुप्लीकेट। आप भोजपुरी बोलते हो?
और क्या भोजपुरी तो बोल रहे हो?
भोजपुरी बोल देंगे, स्मूच करनी पड़ेगी।
तुम देखा नहीं भैया को?
नहीं, आप शूट चैनल नेम, आपका चैनल नेम क्या है?
हमारे चैनल का नाम है अरुण राठौर।
अरुण राठौर।
तुम देखा नहीं क्या अभी?
चक्की नहीं नहीं नहीं
कभी नहीं देखे हमको, अभी देखे, अभी तो
एक्चुअली आई डोंट नो, आई एम अ स्टूडेंट नॉट अ बिग ब्लॉगर एज ओके
स्टार्टिंग क्या बोल रहा था? क्या बोले?
ब्लॉगर होते तो आप देखते नहीं ना,
क्या
फिर आप
बोले?
अपनी वीडियो देखते।
क्या हिंदी में बताओ ना, क्या बोले, समझ नहीं आ रहा है।
एक्चुअली मैं अभी छोटा मोटा क्रिएटर हूँ और स्टूडेंट हूँ।
कोई नहीं भाई, करो भाई को सपोर्ट करो। लव यू।
छोटे और मोटे तो वो हैं पीछे।
देख ले, फिर मोटा बोल दिया तो फिर साफ बोल दिया, साफ बोल दिया।
आओ भाई, मेरा शूट चल रहा है यार।
Actually I have some gifts, so I would like to give you, so you can punch it. So what is this? What you can guess? इसमें क्या है? आप बता सकते हैं?
इसके अंदर टॉफी होगी।
मेरी धड़कन एक बार
No no
इसके
no.
अंदर फिर कुछ
Apart
भी
from
नहीं
this,
होगा।
इसके अलावा
कुछ भी नहीं होगा।
actually not a toffee. It's a
झूमर। ओह थैंक यू।
कटन पड़ाई कोरी गुड़िया हो।
bye bye. So let's go from here. Actually we are practicing, so that's why I know right now I am mistaking lot. Okay, from where? कहाँ से? Okay, so this type of video I have to create, I have to make also, and every day I have to practice lot so that we will improve English. Okay. So bro, what are you doing here? I can talk to you?
No.
No. But why?
भाई लड़की मना करते, भाई मना कर रहे हैं।
Because I think they are gone.
भाई लड़की की सेकंड कॉपी है।
Okay.
एक धन
So let's go.
भाई बहुत तगड़ा ब्लॉग है भाई।
Viral? I'm making vlogs. Where are you from? आप कहाँ से हो?
मैं दिल्ली से।
दिल्ली से? From
मैं
which
भी भाई
place?
वीडियो बनाता हूँ।
कहाँ से?
मैं यहीं वीडियो बनाता हूँ।
अच्छा, आपका ये चैनल
है सूरज ब्लॉग 93 लाइव।
सुनील ब्लॉग?
है सूरज ब्लॉग 93 लाइव। सुनील लाइव करते हो? 1 लाख हो गए भाई, देख लो जाके, पर कब चल जाएगा भाई।
Okay. So I will follow you definitely.
थैंक यू भाई। इंग्लिश नहीं आती भाई, बेइज्जती कितनी भी करूँ मुझे।
Actually, right now I'm practicing, so that's why I will talk to the another person.
अभी तो लिया वहाँ पर सही है।
Okay. So let's go. You can see this my Lodi Garden Tom, not a Himayu Tom. Lodi Garden town. So how am I looking today? Please comment me. And how should I make a video properly and every day? Please comment me. And as well as actually blogging type of video I have to make every day, so that actually I know grammar, I know some little bit word meaning. I have remembered also. I have memorized, but I need a practice right now, and as well as public practice is most important, I think, according to me. So, hello ma'am, you can punch it. You can punch it. What is this? You can guess? What is this? Yes. What can there in my hand?
Nothing.
Nothing. You can see this is your best chocolate for you. Okay, you can see. You can take it. Where are you from?
From USA.
USA.
Yes.
United States. So, when have you come here?
Thursday.
Tuesday,
Thursday.
Thursday,
I've been here like 20 times.
20 times.
More than 20.
So, where all did you visit all over the India?
Yeah, tomorrow I go Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. You had gone to yesterday.
No, tomorrow.
So tomorrow you will go.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Okay. But just you are visiting. This is no Delhi. This is Delhi. But this
Lodi
place,
Garden.
Lodi Garden. This place name.
Sunday always I come.
So this is best garden. Best garden. Yes, I am belong from Bihar state of India.
Yes, okay.
Okay. So actually right now I am practicing English. One day I have to go USA.
You're doing good.
Actually my English is good.
Yes.
According to you.
Yes.
I can talk to the US person.
Yes, absolutely.
Best English. Actually, there are a lot of the thought in my mind. I speak English. I don't speak English. Means many time of difficulty. There is.
You're doing good. Where do you have a job here?
Yeah, here.
In Delhi?
Yes. Actually, I live in the Delhi nowadays. Actually, I job in the safety field. I am a safety engineer.
Yeah?
Safety engineer.
Engineer?
Safety engineer.
Wait, SEP.
Safety means construction safety, industrial safety.
Construction engineer.
Yes, I have completed industrial diploma.
Okay, you're smart.
So, and in this purpose, I have to complete NIBOS IJC. Then I will have to visit another country for the job purpose. So that's why I'm learning English. Right now I am making a blog. So through the blogs I'm talking to you. So nice to talk to you, nice to meet you. And you are speaking. My English is good, so definitely.
Your English is good. You're smart.
I'm
you're
smart.
Nice, you're
Nice.
cute. How about that? Put that in the book.
Okay. Bye, ma'am.
You're doing
But take
good.
it.
No, it's okay. I just bought 2 chocolate bars. So no
There
problem.
is-
Save
okay.
it for the next person.
Okay, so
Okay.
okay. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Thanks.
Nice to talk to you.
Nice to meet you.
जो
Also.
दिया हाथ देता हूँ, हाथ जो दिया तुमने,
I?
जो दिया हाथ
Actually, bro, see why they're speaking to me. My English is good, but I don't know. I have to improve a lot. So, friends, right now we are going from the Lodi Garden. Actually, you can see, and actually, currently, many kind of person haven't come here. So you can see. Actually, there are many persons, but there are most of the person available here. Mostly Indian. Okay. So you get surely and suddenly we should practice every day. And apart from this, there is a water there. From this side. No. Okay. So this is the thought, negative thought we have to remove. And apart from this, one day you will speak English. Okay. So let's go, and this kind of video I will upload. And I was just speaking to you. Actually, currently I have a problem. Word meaning. Okay. I haven't remembered a lot of word meaning, so I have to remember, and as well as I have to upload a daily basis video. Means I am professional boy means right now I am doing a job in safety field, so you can see, and the lack of the practicing I need. Okay, so I will I meet you another video, another vlogs video. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, bye bye, take care.
कभी शाम ढले तो मेरे